$250,000, no PG, no personal guarantee with Square Loans. All right, guys. So in today's video, we're going to talk about Square Loans. I talk a lot about this in my videos. There's only three ways to get business funding. Uh, three C's. You have to bring one of these to the table: cash flow, collateral, credit. Say that again: cash flow, collateral, or credit. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notification. That way you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, smash that like button. Smash that like button. All right, so Square is basically a merchant processor, right? A merchant account. If you're not familiar with what a merchant account is, basically a system, a POS, point of sale, or something that you can process credit card payments. And you're going to need that if you have an online business, a brick and mortar. You need something, a merchant account, to process credit cards through your business. So you probably heard of Stripe and things like that, but Square, it's a mix of both, right? You can do online, like you can do it for a store. If you have a brick and mortar, they have POSs, which is just a point of sale where people can come in, as you see in this picture right here. They have card readers and things like that. So Square, you can probably get a lower rate. So each merchant account, they have processing rates, where they charge you a percentage for allowing you to accept credit card payments. Stripe is like 3%. This is a little bit, I think it's around the same, actually. But the good thing about them, all these other companies, all these merchant accounts, especially if you want like a brick and mortar, they add all these additional fees. And I actually use Square for one of my businesses. Square, it's good because it's pretty self-explanatory. There's not a lot of interchange fees. I'm not going to get too deep into all that, but basically it's a simple processing statement, right? You process cards, they charge you a certain percentage. For me, I believe I'm at 2.4% plus like a certain amount for each transaction. But it's just a flat rate. It's not like there's different tiers where interchange rates. I'm not going to get too deep into that. It can get deep, but basically, Square is where you can process payments. So they offer Square loans based on your processing statements. So let's go to what they offer. So Square loans up to 250,000, minimum 300, up to 250,000. And the great thing about this, it's no PG, no personal guarantee, no credit check. All they're looking for is the cash flow in your business, mainly the processing of the credit cards, right? So if you're accepting cash, they won't consider that as much as you processing the payments. So what they're looking for is a lot of transactions. I actually use them and I applied for this loan. It's great to infuse. It's great to use that money to do some marketing, to inventory, just to grow the business all in all. So as an example, they say if you borrow $9,000, it's a one-time fee of $1,305. So the total repayment is $10,305. And the good thing is they take it out of your credit card sales, right? So every time you process credit cards, they start to take out the loan amount, so it doesn't affect you as much. It's not like you have to make. Now they do every certain, depending on how big the loan is, they'll have to meet a certain minimum, depending on how long. So you repay automatically with a percentage of your daily car sales to Square. Pay less on slow days and a little more when sales are strong. So if you have great sales one day, they'll take a little bit more. If you have low sales, they'll take a little bit less. So that's why I like it, because it kind of pays for itself, where you don't have to really worry about making a $2,000 payment every single month like some of these other companies, or every week, and you have to make large chunks. They take it daily, and they take it based on how much you process that day. So no long forms to fill out. You pay back automatically. You won't have to schedule payments. We just ask that you meet your minimum every 60 days. So every 60 days, they'll have a certain minimum that you have to meet. But again, they're going to be taking it out daily based on your processing. So if you process a lot more, they'll take it a lot more. If you process less, they'll take out less. So that's good. It helps you on the slow days. And again, you can use it for marketing, things like that, inventory. Fixed percentage of your daily sales automatically deducted until your loan is fully repaid. If sales are up, you pay more. If sales are down, you pay less. Can I request a different loan amount? Again, this is all based on your processing credit card statements. It's going to tell you right here, loan eligibility is based on various factors related to your business, including processing volume. Also, like payment frequency, how much are you getting paid? Are you getting paid a lot of credit cards consistently? throughout the week, throughout the month, throughout the years. So that's another thing that they can do. And are there any late fees? No, there are no additional late fees. What happens if your debit cards cannot cover the minimum payment? Square Financials may debit the remaining balance from your Square Link bank account. I mean, they're gonna be taking out of your credit card statements unless your credit card sales are really slow. Does it affect your loan credit score? No. We don't require a personal guarantee. That's the most important part right here. Additionally, we don't require a personal guarantee for your business to take a loan. That's very hard to do in today's business. Obviously, you don't want to run off with the money and not pay them out. You have to build a business to pay back the money. You have to build a business to grow that business and not have any intention of leaving that business. So you got to do your best to fulfill these loan requirements. Guys, let me know in the comments if this is your first time here. Welcome to my channel where we talk about leveraging credit to create cash flow. We talk about business and we talk about finance. Let me know in the comments. That's my time. My name is Toby Rosario. Peace.